Today, we are officially launching the Gamble Data Coaching app. Over the last 25 years, I've navigated massive shifts across telecom, cybersecurity, manufacturing, and aviation. The one constant I've seen is that theory only gets you so far. You need hands-on, practical projects to actually stand out and solve real-world problems. That's exactly why I created this app. It is designed to automatically generate custom, high-quality data engineering projects for you to build, test, and showcase in your portfolios. No more staring at blank screens, thinking about what should I do? This app is going to give you the full blueprint end to end. So let's stop talking about it and actually look at what this looks like. This is the app. When you jump in here, it'll automatically take you to the Create project. And the first step is you're going to upload your resume. So it has the context of exactly what your history has been, what you've done, maybe what you haven't done. So I'm going to go ahead and load mine in here. If you don't have any of these types of files ready, you can also type it in or copy and paste it from another file. The next step is to do a self-assessment, with 1 being I'm aware of what this is, and 5 being I'm an expert. I absolutely know every piece of this. Rank yourself in each of these categories. SQL mastery, Python for data engineering, distributed compute. So you're going to rank yourself in each of these. I'm just going to rank 3 all the way down to give everybody just an idea of what's going on here. So cloud platform fluency, orchestration, infrastructure as code. So think Terraform and dabs. Your architectural patterns, medallion architecture, data model, batch first streaming, CI/CD and DevOps, data quality and observability, security and governance. So rank yourself as honestly as possible on each of these different pieces. Next piece, you're going to put what your target role is. I have in here staff data engineer, but put what your target role is, whether it is just a data engineer, maybe you're trying to get to be a junior data engineer, senior data engineer, if you're trying to get to be a director, whatever the case may be, put what your target role is in here. Then you're going to add a target job length. This is going to be your ideal position. When you look at this job, you see exactly what you want in a position, what you want to learn, the industry you want to be in, all of that. So drop that job link in here. Next, I want you to put down here what your biggest technical hurdle is. So the thing that you are terrified the most when you walk into an interview that they're going to ask you, put that here. Finally, you're going to put your target job links outside of that ideal one. So pick 4 to 5 ideal job links, paste them in here, and the system is going to take all of that information as well as an industry that you want to target for this specific project. So if you want to target fintech, if you want to target healthcare, if you want to target logistics, put that in here in the industry spot. You could put, when I trialed it with my wife earlier, I put that my target role was Batman and that my industry was going to be crime fighting. It could literally be anything that you want to create your project. So I'm going to put in healthcare to give you an idea of what's going to come out. So once you hit the button, it's going to generate your coaching project. It does take 30 to 60 seconds for it to go through and analyze the data that you've entered. So you see the project came up. We have letting you know that your data is being stored in Unity catalog and the industry is healthcare. So this is healthcare revenue cycle, denial prevention, and cash acceleration intelligence platform. This is what you're going to be creating in your project. You see that you could download your file as Markdown, PDF, or export it as Word, but this also gives you, these are the target roles based on the links that you provided for your ideal positions, as well as what you identified as your target role. It also gives you a candidate summary. So this is the information based on your resume, based on the links that you provide. This is the candidate summary for you. So it's going to give you a short paragraph about who you are and why it created this project. It's going to give you your strengths, your growth areas, and then it gives you the recommended projects. So the business problem is going to be that the healthcare provider finance team often knows that cash is being delayed, but lack unified data products that actually connects the payer mix, outpatient, inpatient utilization, and all of these different pieces. Each project is going to look like this. Give you why this project, going to give you a portfolio story. So just a fictitious story for you to use for your portfolio, and then the skills that you're going to build. The next piece that's going to give you are your tools and deliverables. So, Databricks, PySpark, Python, SQL, Delta Lake, Power BI, dbt, and GitHub. These are going to be your tools in your stack that you're going to be working on with this project. Next is your deliverables. So this is the deliverables of this project. And then it's going to walk you through your implementation steps. Everything is going to have these phases: business framing and KPI definitions. So this This is the business requirements for the project and definition of your key performance indicators. Next is your source acquisition and Python ingestion framework. So this is going to be, you're going to download or ingest via API selected CMS datasets and store them in a raw landing. And you see the bullets here. I won't read it all out to you. Phase 3 is your silver layer standardization and entity resolution. 4 is your gold layer, so your metric engineering. And then 5 is your performance, quality, and production readiness. And then we wrap up every project with either a Power BI or some type of BI report that identifies that you can not only ingest the data, but you understand how that data relates back to the project and the business that you're going to be working on. Finally, you have some interview talking points. So I added this part in here so that you can practice and think about as you're going through the project, what your things like your key decision points, things like how I translated this ambiguous healthcare finance problem into measurable KPIs and scope 4 to 8 week delivery plan. These are things that during an interview process are going to help you to stand out. So think about these things while you're going through and actually working on your project. Finally, you have your data sets and supplemental resources. So these are going to be the data sets that you use for your project. Every now and again, you're going to run into this. The link that it provides, you'll have to go back and hit the explore data and get to the actual data. So it gives you all the links that you need in order to perform the project. So that's what the app is. Again, created it so that people have a resource to go out, create a full end-to-end data engineering project, and something that's custom, something that is very business reality, because what is out there is not always real business reality. I see so many times where people send me resumes where what's on there are things like the Titanic data sets, the COVID data sets, some Kaggle thing that they did, and it's not addressing real world data problems, real world business problems. So that's why I created this application for you to go out and have that portfolio that addresses real world problems that are specific to the industry that you're targeting to get into. So you've seen what you could do, and I want to get this into your hands so that you could start building things immediately. Here's how I'm building the pricing. The standard price for access for the app and the project generation is going to be $50 a month. However, we take care of the early adopters and my beta testers and people that want to sign up today by doing a 50% discount. So if you were part of our beta program, or if you've been sitting on the wait list, you are going to be eligible for that 50% off. And if you're watching right now, then you also get that 50% off today. So again, same deal, shoot me an email. The link is also in the description for you to sign up. So it takes me, I do the manual access. So when you go in and sign up, I'll get an email, I'll go in, grant access, and you'll receive an invitation email from me directly.